The CME released the Micro Crude Oil futures today. MCLQ21 is the symbol in TradeStation. You can click on, I have this set up so that if I click on one symbol, it changes the chart as well as the order book. And so you can see the liquidity of the order book. You see the numbers here. You would divide by 10 to say, for example, compare that to the CL liquidity. And so, for example, that'd be 1.9 CL contracts, 3.3 CL contracts. And then if you wanted to go over here and click on CL, you see the update here. You multiply by 10 to match a micro because the micros are 1/10. So it'd be like, that'd be 120 or 480 micros. And so you can see there's a difference in liquidity. It just started trading. And so right around, the first 3 bids and offers are fairly liquid, but it gets pretty thin outside of that. So there could be some flash moves much higher or much lower. I would say wait a little bit to trade this. For example, the micros will trade 1/10 the size. And so if you buy crude oil at 74 and you sell crude oil at 75, then you make $1,000 because one contract is 1,000 barrels. On the micro, you'd be $100. So if you bought the micro at 74, sold it at 75, you'd make 100 and 1/10 the size. So micros are released today, something to watch for if you're doing a smaller accounts automated trading, or if you want to test strategies, micros are good. And so interesting to watch this. We'll continue to watch this right now. I would not want to automate Micro Crude Oil yet. It's the first day of trading. You see how illiquid the data is back here, and it's still pretty illiquid. The total volume today is 4,298 contracts. On crude oil, in comparison, the volume is 212,000 contracts, and if you multiply that by a factor of 10, it'd be 2.1 million. You'd have to have 2.1 million micros to match the same volume. So new contract, market makers are in. Be careful with liquidity on this contract right now for automated trading.